Good morning. So today we are going to learn about slanting line. So we have already learned standing line and sleeping line. So we learned this is a standing line and this is a sleeping line. Standing line you draw from top to bottom and the sleeping line you draw from the left to the right. Okay, so today before we learn the slanting line, you need to be sure about your sides, the right and the left. So this is your right side and this is your left side. The right hand you use to eat, to write, okay, that is your right hand, and this is your left hand. This you use when you do activities, when you have to involve both your hands, okay. So if you have seen your mammas cutting vegetables, they hold the vegetable in the left hand and cut using the right hand. So this is your right side and this is your left side. Okay, now coming to slanting line. So something which is not straight is called a slant. Okay, so here you can see the standing line which is very straight, top to bottom, it is standing straight. Now when there is a little tilt, that is called a slant. Okay, that is called a slanting line. Okay, so this is not straight, something which is not straight, that is slanting. So this is a slanting line. Okay, now so we have two different types of slanting line: forward slanting line and backward slanting line. Okay, forward slanting line and backward slanting line. So now how do we write forward slanting line? So I said this is your right side and this is your left side. So now this is a standing line. When the slanting line starts from the right side and you draw towards the left side, that is a forward slanting line. Okay, so I'll say that once more. When you draw a slanting line from your right side, you start from the right side and draw towards the left side, that is a forward slanting line. Okay, once more, when you draw a slanting line from your right side to the left side, that is a forward slanting line. So you have a standing line. When it is not straight, it is not standing straight, that is called a slant. It is bent towards one side, that is called a slanting line. Now there are two types of slanting lines: forward slanting line, backward slanting line. So a slanting line starting from the right going towards the left, that is called a forward slanting line. Now what is a backward slanting line? You start from your left side and end in your right side, that is a backward slanting line. Okay, you start the line on the left and end at the right side, that is a backward slanting line. Okay, so this is a forward slanting line when it starts on the right side and ends on the left side, and a backward slanting line is the one which starts on the left, ends on the right. Okay, now I'll show you how to write a forward and a backward slanting line on your slate. So I have the slate here. I'm holding the slate in my left hand. I have the chalk in my right hand. So a forward slanting line starts from the right side and ends in the left side. Okay, so I'm holding the chalk in my right hand. So I'm starting on the right side and going towards the left. That is a forward slanting line. Now, backward slanting line, you start from the left side. Okay, so I'm holding my slate in my left hand. So I'm starting from that side and I'm going towards the right side. So starting from the left, going to the right, that is a backward slanting line. Okay, so a forward slanting line will always start on the right side and go towards the left, whereas a backward slanting line will start on the left side and go towards the right side. Okay, so you will always draw a slanting line from top to the bottom, but it will always have a bend. So here a slant. So a forward slanting line will start on the right side and go towards the left, whereas a backward slanting line will start on the left and go towards the right. So we also learned in this, we learned about the right and the left also. So we learned this is our right and this is our left. Right hand we always use to eat and hold the cup when we drink. We always use the right hand to write. Okay, we use it to comb, we use it to color, we use to trace on the rice tray with our right hand. Left hand, what do? We hold the book, we hold the slate while we write. Okay, and we also mostly use our left ear to talk on the phone. Okay, and we use both hands are equally important for us when we do activities. Okay, so this is your right and this is your left. Hope you all understood about your right and left as well as about the forward and backward slanting line. Thank you.